Hey there, folks. It's Ryan from South Thompson RV, and well, I shaved my beard. Anyways, I got some good news. We just got a new trailer to us. It's a 2021 Hideout 25RL. This is an awesome little coach, perfect for couples. It's got a lot of really cool features on this. Let's take a quick look. So right at the front here, you have two 30-pound tanks. Full-size pass-through over here. A little dirty, we did just receive this. Over here is your outside shower. Now on top here they put a awning topper, so you don't have to worry about cleanup on there when you're out camping. And you have a propane electric fridge because it's a little bit older, so you got some pretty cool features here. Your spare tire on the back. And then over here you can see that you have a 15-foot awning, and it's in near perfect shape. And you have your lights in your outdoor speakers, as well as you have a electric stabilization jacks, which just makes you set up when you're out camping way easier. And you can tell just how well this was taken care of. It's been absolutely brilliant shape. Over here on the rear you have these nice oversized windows, which will point over to the back of the lake there when you're parking, with little touch lamps right here. These are reclining chairs, and then they've upgraded the couch over here to a futon for a substantially better sleeping situation and sitting situation. Nice big propane electric fridge. And then check out this kitchen. Comes with a vacuum, 3-burner stove, as well as just a ton of storage, a ton of prep space, 2-basin sink, your fireplace. This is a kind of a neat little feature here. Just a nice little storage drawer over there. Really quite cool. Over here you got a large bathroom and a very large shower and tons of space. Look at the headroom on this. It's a lot. And then a nice walk around bed. And over here, right beside the bed, laundry chute. Huge storage inside here. And tons of storage in the bathroom as well for anything that you need as far as toiletries go. So if you're looking for an awesome couples coach that's super light, super well taken care of, swing on down to South Thompson today. We'll get you going.